Stop fighting! Stop this stinking fighting nonsense over the stinking TV! Me and the others were trying to enjoy the new cereal you got us this evening. But your fighting just ruined the moment for all of us.
Lucy.
Oh, Lucy! Really? She put a scorpion in my water. Do you know how dangerous that is?
It all makes sense now, right?
Yeah.
But how are we gonna get her back?
I don't know.